isang manunula. Gali sa dilaw pati asul pula, makamandag kapag dumudura, puno-puno na yung mga pumupuna. Wag puro kuda pag nakatutok, tsak matututo ka. Kain tumugma kahit natutulog pa, bawat rima sisik sa pulbura. Kada may babagsak parang bomba, naglalaman na nuclear yung nucleo at mga kromosoma, para ko na nakalunok ng koka. Aral na para meron toga, alam ko kung kapos o sobra o kung saan babagsak yung bola. Markang iniiwan ay may bilang, kaya di lang puro salita. Meron pang aral na di mo mapupulot sa iba. Uniforme pinagluman, upuan na sinulat ang pag-aralan para di bulag sa aking kinamulatan. Para malaman mo na yung mga labi mo'y bagay sa talampakan ko. Puno ng kumpiyansa kaya ang mukha ko lalong kumapal. Di lang kinabisado, talagang aral kaya tumagal.
Bakon ko'y mga letrang pang-iskrima, gamit ang dikahoy na pluma ng sina. Unang iskriba, inukit ng kanang kamay ni Shiva, tagapaghatid ng mga pang-mesiyas na propesiya. Isa-isang inupuan mga gawaing bahay, ramdam ko na hanggang sa bato ko nakakangalay. Wala mang agarang gantimpala, makikibagay 10,000 oras ang sinadyang pagsasanay. Di lang to basta mairaos, hakbang kailangang isaayos. Eto na yung napiling sapatos mula edad 16 anyos. Langoy hanggat di humahamo sa pagsagwan, hindi natatapos. Baka sakaling makagawa ng 2 alon sa iisang agos. Garantisadong may basbas na may kapal, sinamahan ko ng kilos ang gramo-gramong dasal. Pataas lang ang buga parang bunganga ng taal. Di lang basta praktisado, talagang aral.
Kilalang iba, klase ang super ego, Sigmund Zico, analytico, pwersa ko malaengki, subversibo, hangon natin scientifico. Tungkulin ko silbahin ang sining, gamit retorika, dialektiko. Kahit sarili ko lang ang kausap ko, ano man lalim ay sisid ko. Palabirong ito, napakapilyo, dating lagi lang happy go lucky to. Hanggang sa nanay ko, natin ko, buhay natin ko. Naging rock road, mabait na, matamis na, di mo maintindihan ba't manayari to. Ano mang mangyari, mangyayari to, kaya sulitin ang oras habang narito. Saksi ko si Ashira, inang kalikasan ng power up, kasikatan ng handicap, katibayan ng magic lamp. At pinanganak matic rap, natural pati acting chops, chopping flow, nuturog Charlie Chops. Habang gadi flow, to kung pagkagritan. Napasakto sita, bumisita sa debi lang turista. Ilang ulit na, nakulila, sa mundong puro oportunista. Masokista, nabudista, gabay pati mga manunuligsa. Marunong umita, talagang aral, may pagkatapil, di ba kung puminta, bra.
Minaniko ang mensa, eksa, Nikola Tesla. Pag inunat ang utak, kayang palibutan ang EDSA. Mga obra maestrong parang ipinasok sa selda, habang reclusion perpetua na ang hinarap kong sentensya. Singhaba ng dinaanan ko, hinanda kong pasensya. Michelangelo, Buonarroti nung tinatapos ang piyeta. Bawat piraso ng letra, malang Picasso ang pyesa. Pag ganyan katakas ang halaga, malamang di ganong mabenta. Pero di ko habol ang pera, preparado sa gyera. Kabisado ang laro, parang veteranong atleta. Kilalang di ka bago ng meta, delikado ka repa. Magpasalamat ka, nakulong ako at nakapagpahinga nung pandemya. Biglang nag-iba yung eksena, daming mga batang umentra. Tanda ko na yata, kunyeta, dinaan ko na sa eksperyensya. Napakatagal naming sinaliksik ang sistema. Talagang aral kahit ibahin pa ang eskwela.
Chrissy's artist death is about to paint his masterpiece.
But what comes up must also come down. It's that time again, baby. Okay, yeah, okay, easy, yeah, look, fuck that mainstream shit. If I ain't got a piece, I got a couple sharp things slip. I sense that you mad, Marcus still watching the same drip while I'm flooding the TV business, all of my 8 trips. I ain't going with motherfuckers claiming that they be lit with the same old mug, 17 on a lame whip. I done took my product from the trap for the raid hit, cause I'm upping my price while opposition remains sick. I ain't ducking them bullets, you siding me while you hiding your face, but my eyes can see that we're deep in the season for crapping street. Watch me drill down my seat while I'm sewing my D, and it goes like up, down, clutch, plow. Wanna see you duck now, uptown, chunk chow. Bouncing at the club, it go like up, down, clutch, plow. Wanna see you duck now, uptown, chunk chow. Bouncing at the club, it go like up, down, clutch, plow. Wanna see you duck now, uptown, chunk chow. Bouncing at the club, it go like up, down, clutch, plow. Wanna see you duck now, uptown, chunk chow. Bouncing at the club, it go like clink, clink, clink. The way I tinker up on how I hate her. Think. Eyes are open and they're trying to make me blink, blink, blink. I icebergs in the sea, but I won't sink. Sin City, drink, woo. Baby, show me all your dance moves, and maybe we could go out to the store and get you some bags too. I'm that cool, and if you're mans and you wanna scrap, I'll let y'all know that I can be that dude. Back forward 2-1 with the laser scraper. Shit was broken back and forth, but now in 7 takes you haters out. Better take another route. I'm insane without a doubt. Put my meat inside a trout, and I bet now you tulips are proud of me. Why you hiding your face, but my eyes can see that we're deep in the season for crapping tree. Watch me drill down my seat while I'm sowing my D, and it goes like up, down, clutch, plow. Wanna see you duck now. Uptown, chunk, chow. Bouncing in the club, it go like up, down, clutch, plow. Wanna see you duck now. Uptown, chunk, chow. Bouncing in the club, it go like up, down, clutch, plow. Wanna see you duck now. Uptown, chunk, chow. Bouncing in the club, it go like up, down, clutch, plow. Wanna see you duck now. Uptown, chunk, chow. Bouncing in the club, it go like this. Every planet know that easy never miss. If he can, then he'll have it. His cleverness is measureless. However, it's an endeavor to sever his 7 myths for this.